Hi guys, wonderful seminar, wonderful Assistant Governors Learning Seminar. Have a successful seminar by DGE Rotarian Chella Raghavendran and DLF Rotarian Padi and the district officers. Super program. We learned more Rotary activities and Rotary knowledge, Rotary service, TRF, global grants and matching grants. So many wonderful things, wonderful knowledge I learned from this seminar. Thank you. Team Downtown organized a very good program. Thank you all of you.
Hi guys, learning is a process of life and we are keep learning throughout our life and in Rotary also. It's given an opportunity for us to travel all the way to Vietnam to have our AGLS training and proudly we say we are graduated now and we carry lots of memorable moments to India back home. Thank you.
Hi, this is Chandra from Rotary Club of Tech City. I'm really happy that I got graduated under the ownership of my friend Buddy Chella. And I thought I know everything in Rotary, but it's wrong. I just came here and I just got to know everything at a proper manner, whether it is membership or whether it is TRF or about the club strategies, everything. So it was a nice experience and I had a nice fun also. That is the main thing I would say. And congrats to everybody, congrats to all the AGs who have graduated in this AGLS Sprout 2. Thank you.
Yes, the AGLS Part 2 at Vietnam was very wonderful and success. All the best to the chairman, Godwin, and Coimbatore Downtown, especially the secretary team also. Well done. Our DLF, our Silla, our DGE, grand success. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gopal. Very happy that it all started on 8th from Cosmo. We came back. We are in Cochin as a team. We have come to Vietnam. Excellent atmosphere, great ambience. Hotel is ultimate, and our leaders. We are gifted to have such leaders as our facilitators. And I enjoyed my hospital. In fact, Godwin and his team, they have extended an excellent hospitality to our team. I enjoyed these 2 days. I don't feel like going back. I would like to, stay back for another 1 day and enjoy this AGLS. Bye.
Hi guys. It's a wonderful experience being in Vietnam and it's really wonderful to be part of this team, and kudos to Downtowners for the wonderful arrangement what they have done. They have taken care of us very well, and coming to the Chella, it's awesome. We are going to expect more in the coming year, and DLF, you are an ultimate. Okay, so if it is a trainer, it is Patiji, and we all from the DDs and AGs, we are thankful for the organizers and the district secretariat team who has done the tireless job, and kudos to you. All the best wishes for you.
Hi, I am Ajay Kumar Gupta, the would-be AG of District 3206, and it was a very fantastic experience, nicely organized by Down City and beautifully done by our DGE and the DLF, who have taken extra care to see that everything is taken care of. We had a beautiful experience. I think we are ready to go.
AGLS 2, wonderful. Fully packed sessions, well planned arrangements. We are fully charged and got a confidence to become AG. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rotarian Dr. Senthil Kumar, Assistant Governor 2526 of RA District 3206. It's a phenomenal arrangement by the Rotary Club of Downtown for the AGLS 2 in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. We are having a fantastic time. Thank you.
The AGLS 2 in Vietnam was fun and learning put together. The DLF had actually made it very concise and short and very interesting, and it was learning all the way, and yes, the fun in the fundamentals. That is great. I enjoyed the AGLS thoroughly.
Say something about AGLS 2.
It was wonderful training program. I really enjoyed it. and good session by our DLS, and everybody has enjoyed. And hope within 2 days we'll complete our training program. So wish you all the best for each and every day.
Thank you.
Yeah, AGLS 2 at Vietnam. It was a very good session. It was completely knowledge session and mostly eye openers. What are all the possibilities? What are all the these things we have to get out of the president and secretary? And totally these 2 days was good for us. Thank you.
Hi everybody, we're just at the verge of closing ceremony for the AGLS 2 at Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. Such a beautiful event that, 2 days of event. We actually had to comprise a 3.5 day event into 1.5 days and running for about 7.5 hours, and it just flew so beautifully. Mainly because it was interactive and the indulgence of participants was amazing, and we had interactive programs and brainstorming sessions, and role plays. So this is the best part of the programs, and the participants understood the concepts very well, and the organizers had put in the best effort possible, and I'm sure it's going to stand out for a very long time to come, and we're going to cherish memories of a beautiful trip to Ho Chi Minh City as well as AGLS Food. My gratitude to Downtown as well as the chairman, Gordon. Thank you very much.
1, 2, 3.
Declare you all graduates!